in 6.5 Creedmoor. We had an M24 profile barrel that we turned down to the dimensions we needed, populated the barrel, head space it, and did a special liner in the magazine for fitting. The bolt is actually bent. So it being a little suspect, we still proceeded with the build, and the firing pinhole was just too large for the box of primers and was causing a lot of primer flow back into it and piercing primers. So we installed a bushing and kept the factory firing pin set up, and that was sufficient. That worked. We sent it out to the customer, and after about 200 plus rounds, that bushing finally came free. So it came back to us to repair it. So my solution was to just fabricate a whole new firing pin system and do a longer, bigger bushing, which I put in there. And I did an additional new retention pinhole right there. And it's actually a two-piece firing pin. We got photos will pop up. But the longest portion is actually an AR-10, reprofiled AR-10 firing pin. And the back half is actually the back half of a 1911 firing pin, held in by another pin right there, and it's spring-loaded, so it returns.
Okay, so this right here is an NDM 86, rebarreled here and rechambered in 6.5 Creedmoor. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and shoot a few rounds off and see what it's like. I've never shot one of these before, at least in 6.5, so it'll be interesting. Not bad. A little bit more recoil than an FAL.